everyone. Today we are going to study Standard 7 Bio, first chapter, Plant and Animal Tissues. So first of all, what is the fundamental unit of life? Or in other words, what is the building block of an organism's body? Yes, you are absolutely right. The cell is an building block of life. So, cells make up the body of all the living organisms, isn't it? So, we give the definition of cell is the structural and functional unit of life. So, how many cells do you think an organism need to live? 1, 2 or hundreds? That depends on the organism we are talking about. So, an organism like amoeba is a unicellular organism. That means it consists of only a single cell. And what about cat and dog? Do they have a single cell? No, they don't. So they have many cells which makes out their body. So the group of cells which perform specific function is known as a tissue. So inside the cell there are various organelles present. So that we have studied already in standard 6 about organelles. So these organelles are arranged in a highly organized manner to perform a specific function. So these organelles may be arranged in a highly organized manner for performing a specific function. So let us see what is the level of organization. So this is the level of organization to perform a specific function. So let's start from the below: cells, tissues, organ system and organism. So the level from below to the organism, from below, this is a cell, from cell to organism. So this is known as the lower level organization. Okay, that means we started from below: cells, tissues, organ system and organism. So from organism, if we start from the beginning, that is organism, organ system, organ, tissues and cell, and this is the higher level organization we call. So here, a group of cells makes a tissue, a group of tissues make an organ, a group of organs make an organ system, and altogether a group of organ systems makes an organism.